Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Now today we are going to learn Standard 9 Grammar section, subject English. Now we are going to learn tenses. Dear students, you know there are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. And you know already in Standard 8 you have learned about tenses. Each have four forms. Each have four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Now, how to learn? First, if you want to learn present tense, now you learn present simple, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. Now, first we are going to learn present tense. The first form is present simple. If you want to learn it, there is a formula, very simple formula: subject plus V1 plus object. You can say structure of sentence. Here are we, you, they, boys. These are pronoun. You can say pronoun. With this we use I write a letter. Here confirm subject plus V1 plus object. Now they, boys. Here third person singular: he, she, it, Ahmed, boy, girl. In this pronoun here, one is noun. We have to use third person verb plus s. He writes a letter. Subject plus V1 plus s plus object. Like this, we can make 12 sentences. He writes a letter, she writes a letter, it writes a letter, Ahmed writes a letter, boy writes a letter, girl writes a letter, I write a letter, we write a letter, you write a letter, they write a letter, boys write a letter. In this way, we can make very easily 12 sentences. Now, we can also frame, take verb eat and take object mango. Like he eats mango. He eats a mango. I eat a mango. In this way, we have to frame 12 sentences. Now, frame 12 sentences. Now, make 12 sentences of present simple. Now, next we are going to learn present continuous tense. Now, we are going to start the second form. You know, second form continuous. Means present continuous. It has also, we can make formula: subject plus am is are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Are. This is personal pronoun. We can use am helping verb with I. Now, plural pronoun, we can use are, and plural pronoun, we have to use helping verb with this are, and he, she, third person singular, we can use is. How can we frame sentence present continuous? Very easy. I am going to school. Here see, students, subject plus helping verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now, in this way, we can make plural pronoun. We are going to school. Like that, he is going to school. Okay, in this way, we can frame 12 sentences. We are going to school, you are going to school, they are going to school, boys are going to school, girls are going to school, he is going to school, she is going to school, Ahmad is going to school, boy is going to school, and girl is going to school. Now we are going third form, perfect, present, perfect. Perfect means now we have completed our work in present. It has a simple formula: subject plus have plus has plus V3 plus object. In sentence there is have, has. We can easily identify that this sentence can be present perfect form. Now here we have pronoun I, we, you, they, boys, girls. With this pronoun, we have to use helping verb have. And now in singular pronoun, we have to use has. Like for example, I have written letter. Subject plus helping verb plus V3 plus object. Here the meaning is I have written a letter means I have completed my work. यानी मैं एक खत लिख चुका हूँ, मेरा काम अभी प्रेजेंट में पूरा हो चुका है. Now here he has written a letter. Subject, helping verb plus verb third form plus object. In present perfect, we have to always use third form of verbs. Third form of verb. Like that, write, second form, wrote, third form, written. Here we have to use third form. Always in present perfect, you have to use third form of verb. Now here he has written a letter means उसने अपना काम कंप्लीट कर चुका है, अभी प्रेजेंट में काम मुकम्मल हो चुका. In this way we have to frame 12 sentences. We have written a letter, you have written a letter, they have written a letter, boys have written a letter, girls have written a letter, he has written a letter, she has written a letter, it has written a letter, Ahmad has written a letter, boy has written a letter, girl. Now we are going to learn four form of present, perfect, continuous. Perfect, continuous. It has a formula: subject plus have, has plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now, very easy to frame the sentence. I have been writing a letter. Subject plus helping verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Progressive. ing means continuous, progressive. Now I have been writing a letter. Now in this way he has been writing a letter. I have been writing a letter. मैं एक खत लिखता रहा हूँ. वो एक खत लिखता रहा है. प्रेजेंट में हम ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे. मैं एक खत लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing a letter. Present perfect कंटिन्यूअस में हम ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे, मैं एक खत लिखता रहा हूं। नाउ हियर इन दिस वे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर प्रेजेंट